In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut audio in Audacity quickly and correctly, whether you want to remove a section, delete audio without copying it, or use split cut to leave a gap in your track. This is a super useful skill for cleaning up voiceovers, podcasts, interviews, music clips, and any other audio project where you need more control over your edits. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Audacity open and your audio file loaded into the project. Once your waveform appears, the first thing you need to do is choose the Selection tool. This is the I-beam icon at the top of the window. Clicking this tool lets you highlight exactly the part of the audio you want to work on. Now, click and drag across the waveform to select the section you want to remove. You'll see the area become highlighted, which means Audacity knows that this is the portion you're about to edit. If you want to completely cut that section and move it to your clipboard, go up to the Edit menu and click Cut. This is the standard cutting method in Audacity. When you do this, the selected audio is removed from the track, and at the same time, it is copied to your clipboard in case you want to paste it somewhere else later. One really important thing to notice is that the remaining audio will automatically shift left to close the gap. So if you cut out silence, mistakes, or unwanted sounds, the rest of your project stays connected smoothly. This is especially helpful when you want to tighten up a recording. For example, if you recorded a long pause, a mistake, or background noise that you don't want, you can select that section, cut it, and the audio after it will slide into place. That makes your track sound cleaner and more professional without leaving dead space in the middle. Now, if you want to remove audio even faster, there's another method you can use. This is the delete method. Start by highlighting the audio section the same way with the Selection tool. Once the unwanted part is selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the audio instantly, but unlike Cut, it does not copy the selection to your clipboard. That means if you only want to get rid of something and you don't need to reuse it, Delete is a quick and easy option. The main difference between Cut and Delete is simple. Cut removes the audio and saves it to your clipboard, while Delete removes it without copying anything. In both cases, the surrounding audio will still shift left and close the gap, so if that is the result you want, either method works well. If you're just cleaning up a recording and don't need the deleted section anymore, pressing Delete can save you a step. Next, let's talk about split cut in Audacity. This is useful when you want to remove audio but keep a blank space instead of pulling the remaining track together. To do this, highlight the audio section you want to remove. Then click Edit, go to Remove Special, and choose Split Cut. When you use split cut, Audacity removes the selected audio but leaves a gap in its place instead of shifting everything to the left. This can be really helpful when you need to preserve timing or spacing in your project. For example, if you're editing dialogue, sound effects, or music and want to leave room for something else later, split cut gives you more control. It basically lets you remove audio while keeping the structure of the timeline intact. So if you need the section gone but you don't want the rest of the track to move, this is the method to use. So let's quickly recap. If you want to cut audio and keep it on your clipboard, use Edit, then Cut. If you want to remove audio instantly without copying it, just highlight the section and press Delete. And if you want to remove audio but leave an empty space behind, use Edit, Remove Special, and then Split Cut. Each of these tools gives you a different result, so choosing the right one depends on how you want your audio to behave after the edit. Once you get comfortable with these three methods, editing in Audacity becomes much faster and much easier. You'll be able to clean up mistakes, trim out pauses, and shape your audio exactly the way you want it. And the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If this video helped you learn how to cut audio in Audacity, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Audacity editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.